Hi, my magical friends. It's Jess for my magical planner, and I have my Sterling Ink subscription to open with you guys today. This is the subscription that shipped at the beginning of December, so it should be my January kit. I can't wait to see what she came up with. I am a little... We'll have to see how it fared, but obviously, again, my postman took a bite out of it. So we'll see how it appears to be just fine, and we're going with that. My Sterling Ink, well, a lot of my subscriptions this last month seem to have come to me with less than ideal outer packaging, we'll say. Luckily, none of them have, well, I think there was one that was damaged, but otherwise they've fared fairly well. Oh, look at that sticker. Somebody was telling me, and I wish I could remember which subscriber it was, but I can't, that they use undo to take the sticker off so that they can still use it because it's such a pretty sticker. So pretty. And I love that we have kind of this off-white, very antique looking. I'm hoping we'll see more of this green. So let's go ahead and take a peek. Maybe, you know what, I'm gonna cut across here. That's what I'm gonna do. I was looking at her site, and she is gonna come out or do another release of the common planners, which I know have been super popular. Ooh, this looks really pretty. In case you guys didn't know, I am on her PR team. So if you use the code JESS20 on her normal site, you can get 20% off. It doesn't work on the subscriptions, obviously. But look, this must be your business card. Love that. Go ahead and set it to the side. This is the main chunk of the sticker subscription. So I'm going to set that to the side because I want to look at this. This is bigger. Oh. We have a resizing. We have to look at that. Hold, please. Okay. That is definitely bigger. Hold. I need my planner. I need my planner. Okay, we're going to see if she resized it to better fit for the Hobonichi, because I'm guessing she did. Yes, I haven't done this page yet. Oh, look at it. I'm pretty sure it's bigger. It feels bigger. I like it. I really like it. Ooh, so cool. Okay, so this is our vellum calendar sheet. I am not going through pricing of things right now because I just did that, even though it looks like we have some reformatting going on here. So really gorgeous. Then we have a whole sheet of Monday through Sundays. So you actually get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of them. That's pretty awesome. And then we're also getting these would work great in the back. I bet these are sized for her planner. Oh, that's so cool. So it's just the January and then the day. So you could have these for your weekly and then these for in the back portion, if that's what you want. Then we have our vellum sheets. We always get 2 of those. Love the frames. Those are really fun. Or are they windows? Are they windows or frames? Because that looks like a latch. But this looks like a picture, like an old picture frame. Like the type that the picture would actually come in, and then you'd have like this protective thing around the edges, like the really old frames. Not like a frame you would put on a wall per se. I like it. Very, very pretty. I'm excited to see what else we have this month. So... okay, so then we have this little envelope, and in here are our smallest stickers. This is usually where your monthly script sticker and things like that are. And your vinyl decal. Oh, look at that. That's our vinyl decal this month. Oh, it goes this way. It looks really cool. And then here's our January script. This looks a little larger as well. So that's really pretty. This is our sampler. And our smaller January monthly sticker. Ooh, what's this? Oh, these are January tabs. Oh, that's cool. Now I have to go look and see if you can buy the whole year in her tabs, because that would be really fun. Or if she's going to be doing that as part of her subscription this year. That would be so cool. Okay. Then we have our larger florals here. I'm loving, I don't know what kind of plant that is. I look at it and I think like slightly wilted, but I don't think that's what it is. I think that's the way the plant is supposed to be, but it's really, I like the texture it has to it, and you can see the lighting on it and everything. This one's really pretty as well. These make me think of artichokes, but I like them a lot. And then we have this one. I love the balance here. This will be great for January with kind of that, what are you doing? What are your priorities? And the reflections that tend to go on during January. And then you have this filing box, kind of filing away the things from last year and starting anew. Then we have this one. There is a line down the middle of this box. You could put it together like that, or you can use it as two separate pieces. This is kind of your smaller trim type pieces. Love the way that she color blocked that in the middle. Then we have some deco here. Oh, these are really cool. She always comes out with something that I'm like, oh, I wasn't expecting that. And it's so much prettier than I thought it would be. This is foiled in a silver foil this month, which I think is very fitting for January. And then here are smaller deco pieces. So you have some flowers in here and some greenery. Another one of the scales over here. This looks like a, you know, one of those necklace charms where you put the flower inside and kind of put it in epoxy or whatever. That's kind of what that looks like. This looks like some part of a note or something. And the preserved flower in the tube. Just really a fun take on things. Then we have date dots. These are just very plain this month. I think that's great. These are actually square cut. I wonder if that'll also be a change to the subscription. Oh, hold on. There we go. You have to be very careful since they're so delicate, but because they're so delicate, they blend in seamlessly with your paper. I love this as well. Very, makes me think like old drugstore with the old bottles and the scale and everything. And then we have our larger bits of floral through here. Then these should be identical. These are your washi strips, which you have one long one here. This one goes from this floral to that floral, and then you have another big piece and another big piece. These work great for kind of trailing along different portions of your planner. And then these other ones are all separated out into pieces as well. So I actually really like that a little bit better than the having full strips all the way across, because you can make it customized to whatever length you want by just, you know, putting them either closer or further away. So that is everything in this month's subscription. I think it's amazing. I will have a couple of questions for her though, whether or not these are more permanent changes or not, because I actually don't know. So I'll need to ask her on that front, but I like the changes that she did and I think they're really fun. So I hope that they are permanent changes and I look forward to seeing what comes out next month. It's always a beautiful surprise and they work so nicely with other kits and just in general. So anyhow, let me know what you think of this new formatting changes, and until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.